morning vlog. This format may be quite strange for you. It's just that I'm filming from the parking. It's the early morning and I came to the shopping center because I want to return my Levi's purchases, actually, even though I do love it and the quality is superb. But as usual, I bought it, well, in most cases I bought it on sale, and I got this skirt which is just an amazing color, and I love the jean skirt for summer. And I bought this skirt which is called, let me see, the model of the skirt, let me see in here, icon skirt, maybe blue skirt. This is the color. Sorry for showing it to you in darkness, but I like that it's not white and it's not blue. It's like the mix. It's like maybe like cloudy color. It's like sky. I call it sky color, but at the same time, being a really premium quality, it's too big for me. So it's 32, and I don't know why. Even though I like when it's a bit, you feel free in the jeans or in the skirts, I assume it's gonna be just slightly, it won't squeeze. I will be able to wear it freely, but it's the first time when I make a mistake that big. So the difference between what I really needed and I planned for is huge. So this is why, unfortunately, I have to return it. The same reason for the carpenter's shorts, white. These are really, even though these are jeans shirt, but these are really like if you can call carpenter's shorts feminine, they're really feminine because, first of all, the way they are, the actual model is nice. I like it, and because they sort of go slightly like triangle, so it flatters the shape usually, and but yeah, it is also too big for me. So it's 32 and I need like 30, 28 something apparently. So I didn't guess it. I was thinking that the difference between sizes will not be that big, even though I was planning to buy something like larger, maybe just to be able to wear it freely without any like limitations, because jeans may, especially after washing, jeans may become smaller in some cases, but in this case it is really too large and I have to return it. And what I like about Levi's policy is that even though I ordered it online, I can go to the nearest offline shop and return it. So I'll keep you posted, guys, how it went, how the return went. Maybe if I'm allowed, I will do a slight video about the shop, because I'm a huge fan of Levi's. I guess Levi's or Levi's, whatever they call it in different countries. But well, it's classics. It's always, well, you have to sort of know what model suits you more, because we're all different. And I like the choice. I like the sort of like basic, but at the same time classical approach they take. So it will never run out of style, basically, no matter what model of jeans you're wearing. And it really lasts usually, unless you do something like you damage it somehow. It really lasts. So unfortunately, even though I left 2 t-shirts, which I absolutely liked, and I probably will be wearing it later in my vlogs, I have to return the skirt and shorts. And I'm hoping that maybe they have the same models but smaller sizes in the shop. Let's see. But after I bought this one and these models were delivered and I tried it, I checked on the internet, and the t-shirts all were gone, all sizes. So the skirts, I believe, only really small ones were left. And I won't be able to be like squeezed enough. And I guess it's the same for the shirts as well. They only have small sizes now, or nothing available online. So unfortunately, if they do not have anything in this particular shop, I will have to return it. So I will not be wearing it. But let's see how it goes. I went to the shopping center, as I said, in the morning. So I believe that cafes are open, but the shops may not. So I will grab some coffee and film from there as well. I'll show you one of my favorite cafes here and show you what I bought. And let's go with me. So guys, as you could see, almost all shops are now closed except for some. And well, H&M is closed, for example, but it's they usually open at 10. majority of them. So I decided to use this moment to, I have about 15 minutes now, so I decided to use this to grab some coffee. And then, and I like it, as you could see, there's not that many people. They have Alcampo shop here, and it is open. So if we have any, if I can see any visitors here, they're mainly shopping for a grocery shopping here in the morning. And it's actually a great thing because it's not that crowded, and you can actually save time. And there you can see the Levi's brand, which I hope has the t-shirt, the skirt and shirts of a smaller size. I want to return, just to remind you that I wanted to return those which are bigger. And this is the shop, which is now closed because it's not the time, it's too early. And this is the cafe I'm going to, so let's grab some breakfast and I'll show you what I like, what I usually get. This is something when you're waiting for the order to be ready, you're simply waiting for the signal of this small device. Look how free do they feel. They literally attacked my food now. Look how I had to finish my food before it was finished because those birds literally attacked me. So I'm going to Primark now. I just had my breakfast and the birds, as I showed you, the birds literally attacked me. They just really attacked me. I was holding the bun in my hand, and the bird is so small, but it's so brave and so fearless that he or she just basically started to eat my bun while it was in my hand. So as you could see, I didn't continue eating this breakfast. So it wasn't maybe a good idea to eat outside, because as you could see, they have many palms, they have many trees, and there are many birds there. So it's good, it's nice to just look at, but you don't really want to be near them and eating, because apparently they're not hungry, because there are many traces of food there, so they are small, so they should be full, so they are not hungry. But at the same time, I guess it was time for breakfast, and they just woke up, and this is why they jumped on my food, as I said, literally while it was in my hand. This danesa is called danesa. It was really, really sweet, but I couldn't finish it, obviously. And I showed you that the coffee and the dessert like that, a croissant, for example, and coffee, in their breakfast menu cost 380. Well, in my case 370, 380, I guess plus minus. It depends on the type of breakfast that you order. And plus, they used to have this special card. If you sort of order, I don't remember exactly, but like loyalty card, sort of like carton based, and if you have about, like, for example, 9 breakfast with them, they offer the 10th for free, something like that. But I didn't take it with me today. So the Levi's store is still closed, but Primark is open, and I took part in the competition. It was the Mother's Days here. Mother Days here is on 4th of May, and there was like celebration here. And by the way, this commercial center is really, I like it because they have a really active and diverse cultural program for events for adults and for kids for the evening. And during summer, the last summer, and I hope it's going to be the same here, there were many different concerts of a good quality here, so you could just attend. I know that they make it to make it like commercial encore to attract customers, but still it's like combination of both. You can shop here, and you can combine like leisure with shopping, which is always great. So this is why, yes, and I took part in this interesting competition where you buy something up to 30 euros as minimum, and you show them the check. And if you're sort of the loyal customer, they have a loyalty account with them, they offer you the possibility to go into the huge bowl, transport bowl, with small balls circling around in the air. And you sort of enter and catch the ball. And within this ball inside, you can't see what is it inside, but there was like cards for 5 euros, 10 euros, 20 euros, and some other gifts. And well, I was lucky to get the bowl with the card for 5 euros, which I can spend now in Primark, so I'll do the same. Well, Primark is like not expensive, and by the way, I rely on it quite a lot when it comes to shopping for kids, but it's not expensive. But still, for 5 euros, you won't be able to buy much. But still, I just need to use this card because I don't like when those things are sort of summing up in my like head and like in my unconscious side. So I'd better make the tick here, and we'll use this card until it gets crowded, because it was just opened like 15 minutes ago, and I can see people constantly entering. So I need to go and spend the card somehow. I'll probably, if I get the permission, I'll show you something there. Oops. ¿Me puede pasar o no? Sí. So guys, I'm leaving Primark now, as you can see, and I'm still trying my DJI Osmo Pocket. For that, I'm trying the microphone. I have this microphone additionally, but I decided to try the inbuilt microphone. So this is the video with the vlog, with shopping, as well as trying this device out on the street outside. Let's see how it works. And so I bought something in Primark, and it was really empty, as you could see, and this is why I like shopping in the morning, because it's really not crowded. You don't see that much people, you don't have to push, and you have almost all sizes available. So guys, I was lucky because, well, I had this €5 like card for the present card which I won in this bowl that I told you about, and I probably will be adding this video how I did it before. So I spent for this 2 sets, for the mono for the kid, striped one, blue one, and the set of shirts and the t-shirt, the price was totally €11 minus the 5 cards for the card. So I paid €6 for 2 summer sets for my for my daughter, basically. So Primark has really affordable prices, as many of you will know, as well as there are something even discounted, so you can buy it even cheaper. And I believe, and I'm sure that we'll be using the clothes that I just bought a lot. So this is the bag, and they have this bag, paper bags, which are free, so you don't, yes, they are not expensive in other shops, but about 10 or 15 cents sometimes, but still it's nice when you have it like for free. So the next stop is Levi's. I'm gonna be taking you with me. So guys, I finished my shopping and clothes shopping, and since, as I showed it to you previously, they were Alcampo shop near those small shops that I was attending for the clothes tasks. So I decided to do some not grocery shopping, because the huge one I already did recently, so I have a lot of that. Well, I have majority of the products that I usually need for the week. But at Alcampo they have this. They had the promotion, for example, for €1. So I decided to quickly jump in, and guys, I really enjoy shopping, grocery shopping, be it clothes shopping, grocery shopping in the morning. It's really almost nowhere in the shops, and you freely can go through aisles, select what you want, sizes are available. And with grocery shopping as well, you don't meet the empty shelves, especially in case with promotions. Usually they're quite demanded, so by the end of the day, shelves may be simply empty. So it was the morning, it was calm, it was like a few people in the shop, and you could, well, see calmly, and you could spend as much time as you want. You could go through the aisles without having to make like circles and going around people, making sure that nobody hits you, or you do not hit anyone else. So it's just the pure joy shopping in the morning when it's not that crowded, when shops are just open. Definitely they are not that crowded because people are working usually from 9 till 5, and the majority of people are shopping like either in the evening or during the weekend. So obviously, I'll probably, since it's one of my pains now, because the job question, and even though I need support for this vlog as well, and I'm vlogging as much as I can, but I would rather probably be somewhere busy in the office for salary in the morning rather than shopping. But if I know it's the time of my life when I have free mornings during the week, I prefer going to buy something if I need something in the morning, because it's, as I said, it's I don't know, it's a dream. Basically, it's not as stressful, it's free, you don't have to queue for a long time. There are many benefits. So guys, I will show you what I bought in Alcampo just for €1 each. This Danone yogurts with a sort of stracciatella taste. My kids love it, and 4 Danone yogurts where the initial price is $1.89 and the promotion price is $1. So I bought 1, and something like a present for my kid. They will be super happy about that. And I bought it like 4 of each. I'll show you later, just to last longer, and I'll hide it and then present them during the summer probably, because they're a lot for me, a lot. So my kids do not eat sugar that much, but I couldn't resist those chupa chups of different types. I believe these are strawberry, some sour strawberry, different types of strawberry, and basically it includes 10 lollipops of chupa chups, which are usually usually price of 50 cents each. So for 10 you would normally pay €5 or 50 cents multiplied by 10, and we do buy it sometimes just to make it a bit more. For example, if I'm driving somewhere further, just to make it not that boring for kids, I allow them to take the chupa chups. And this bag contains 10 for €1. So this is a super saving, and this is why I bought 4 of this type and 4 of this type. And by the way, I haven't tried this as well. This is something new for myself and my kids as well. It's milky, so it's a bit more of a creamy taste. It's strawberry with cream. It's quite standard, it's quite classical. Vanille, the taste of vanille, and the taste of chocolate and vanilla as well. And I believe it should be quite interesting taste. So as well, 10 lollipops of the standard size. So these are not smaller or something. So this is the pack of 10 lollipops each of different tastes. And I guess this is for me, usually when you see this one by one, the choice is quite limited and the choice is quite standard. So we probably tasted all the classical tastes of chupa chups that they are selling one by one. And in these packs I found that they will have something new. So basically, each package of 10 cost me €1. So this is just a bargain for kids. Kids will be super happy. So I bought 4 of each, and I'm sure 4 of each. I had it like the sensation that I wanted to buy more, like for a year upfront, but well, let's not go crazy. So I bought 4 of each, and also I bought this Mentos. I'm not a great fan of Mentos in general, but there are some taste and some types that I like. So I bought this variety, and it contains 3 sticks and rolls. It says natural, but natural colors. Not the ingredients, obviously, but still something for a change. Rarely, but I guess I bought 4 as well. But I guess it will be enough for the whole summer, if not more. So it's vegan as well. So it's chewy drudges. I'm sure that many of you know what Mentos is. So it's not a chewing gum. It's something in the middle between chewing gum and the chewy drudges. You can actually swallow it. So, well, I hope so. As far as I remember, it's been a long time since I not had it before. So because I'm actually against the chemical sweetness and all stuff, but well, I have kids, and to be honest with you, I'll probably have some of those as well. And I bought 4 of this as well, and just remind you that the price was the promotional price was €1. So I bought the package of 3 for €1, of different taste as well. Strawberry for sure, orange, lemon. Let's see what other taste they have. So quite a great price for things like that. And another thing that I found really, it's not only cheaper, but also I like the format. I like feta cheese, right? So usually salad cheese, well, it's something Greek cheese, something like feta. And usually they sell it in volumes of 200 grams and 250. So it's quite large, and it's usually used for the huge bowls of salads, for example. But if you're not planning to make a huge bowl of salad, you have to leave the half of the pack, if it's big, in the fridge. And to be honest, I don't like it, leaving it open. And even though you try to use it as fast as possible, because well, usually I don't like the taste of feta when it's opened and it's been in the fridge for like 1 day or something. It's better fresh, obviously. So I liked this format because it's quite small. It's 100 grams. It should be enough for about 2 portions of salad, 2 or 3, because my kids, one of them, it depends on their mood basically. One of them likes feta or Greek cheeses like that. One of them doesn't, but can eat it sometimes. So it much depends on the taste, and I have a choice. I can make a salad, for example, vegetable salads with greens, and make it feta free for the kid that doesn't want to have feta in her salad, and for me and for the other, well, it depends. So you have better flexibility with small packages like that. So it's just 100 grams, but the price is €1. Usually when it's 200 grams and 250, you pay about €83 for the pack. And here for 100 grams I paid €1. So it's slightly cheaper, plus I really love the format. So it's small, you can actually use it quickly, it doesn't require you to make the huge bowl of salad, because well, when it's too much of a fat, and it may be too salty. Well, obviously you can make, and I like to bake with feta as well, because especially those, if some of you know, you can buy the ready-made dough and mix the cut spinach with feta, make the buns like that, for example. It's quick and it's quite hassle-free, but at the same time the taste is really nice and unusual. So ready-made dough, feta and spinach, cut spinach. It can be frozen or can be fresh. Frozen cut, it's just unfreeze or put it under the hot water and mix it with feta, add to the dough, make the shape of whichever you like, and I guess they should be in the oven for about 20 minutes or so, not more. So it's quite maybe sometimes, depending on the size. a bit more, but a bit longer, but still not too long. So it's quick and quite affordable as well, and interesting taste, and as a result. So I bought 4 of this for €1 as well. So basically my check, I'll show it to you later, it's like 1, and I paid 13. Well, in total, like about €14 for small items, but each costing €1 almost. So and I bought some onions, so nothing interesting. And the price of the onion, the usual one, was €1. So I bought how many? 5 onions, and I paid 66 cents. So basically it was quite a budget, but interesting additional shopping, budget friendly. So this is I like, and I'm going to go to Lidl now because I need something, and I'll take you with me, guys. I'll show you if they have it here. I'll show you in a bit more details. If not, I'll keep searching. But I need to, as usual, I found something on the internet, but I need to see it and like touch it to have a better idea of whether I like it or not. So I came to Lidl, and it's like a prolongation of the vlog and my additional shopping, but it's not just the general shopping that I've just made. And I hope, guys, you found it interesting. And if you have Alcampo near you, somewhere in Europe, for example, make sure that you go there and check for the Chupa Chups and Mentos as well, because I'm sure that adults as well as children do love it. And sometimes it's really handy when it shouldn't be also overdosed, right? So make sure that you consume it in a healthy format. But still, the price and the format and the colors you see, it's quite summery. And the price is really cool and feta. The format and the price is amazing. So guys, let's go to Lidl. And like from 10 till 11, you can see that almost all shops are just opened and not that crowded. And then after 11, like every single minute when you observe, you just see that it's getting crowder and crowder, and many more and more people are going there. So I'm so glad that I had this time this morning, and I did this majority of the things that I was planning to do without many crowds and without queues, basically, guys. So let's go to Lidl. So I came from Lidl. I didn't actually find what I was looking for, so didn't like really make a video of that within the shop. So nothing to tell you about, and like about the more like a major stuff for kitchen. As always, I think that my shopping in general, about 80% of that is dedicated to kitchen, to cooking at kitchen. And so but anyway, because I'm sure that all moms and almost everybody know that if you go to the shop, you always find something that you need. And in my case, it's pajamas for kids and for adults as well. And I quite like the quality of Lidl. I guess it's the brand that is usually represented in Lidl. So I bought pajamas for kids and for myself, with like t-shirts and shorts. Well, it's obviously getting warmer, but it's not quite the time when they do not wear pajamas. So this is why pajamas are something that we need. Well, pajamas is something that is always constantly needs to be changed, renewed in a way. So this is why I bought one for each. And the price for pajamas in Lidl now is €4.99. So basically €5 for pajama of a good, nice quality, natural material. It's quite light. So guys, if you have Lidl near you and you need pajamas for adults and kids, they have quite a good choice of pink and blue pajamas with different words and words and drawings basically on them. So it's quite light, it's not too thick, but for €5 it's really good quality, breathable. I like how I can feel it when I touch it. So it's quite natural. You can feel it. It's cotton, really thin, which is ideal for summer. And the price of €5 is, I guess, this is something that we all like nowadays. So guys, thanks for watching this vlog. If you could, please support me by subscribing, commenting, and liking this video, and stay with me for more information about my Spanish lifestyle, about my everyday life, and about something that may be useful for you as well. Guys, have a good day and enjoy and take care, and definitely thanks for watching. Once again, thanks. Subscribe, like, comment. Well guys, I forgot to mention that this video is one of the first videos that I'm taking with DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I'm sure that many of you are some of you who are vlogging maybe, or who are thinking about vlogging, or who prefer to film their travels or something, their family experience, may be searching for the information regarding this device. So far I'm testing, and sometimes you may not be surprised by this quality of this video, this particular one, but it's just because I'm testing it. It's just the device so far I'm quite impressed. It's small, it's compact, but it's quite capable. The quality of picture is really great. Let's see, I haven't heard myself in the street when I was testing it. I told you in this video before, so I'll try to see, and I'll try to test it with the microphone, DJI microphone that came with this particular set. And I have the video somewhere here. I'll probably put you the link to that as well, to this video when I unpack my delivery when it was just delivered. So if you are not that satisfied with the quality of this video or sound, it's not because of the device, probably. It's just because I'm quite new to that and we need to know each other better. So guys, just another useful information. This device, this video is taken totally with the DJI Osmo Pocket camera, except for the small bit where I'm inside the ball and catching this balloon, the colorful balloon. So it was taken with the mobile phone, iPhone 14, and so guys, yes, this is something that you may find useful as well. Just my continuation of my test of this DJI Osmo Pocket set. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.